Right June.
Pussy me say from AM
2 p.m. Little girl. You see if you come on my yard, and you want to come give me one run, I am one round, 8 o'clock, and go knock out until I sleep till the next day, 8 o'clock. Go home. If you come on my yard, I want to come give me one run, and then you come sleeping on my bed. Go home. Boom, boom, bam. People were in a boss mode for that video again. They don't know chopping up. Certain video done in the boss mode. But for that one here, we're in the boss mode because this is the second part of this week's episode. I know so every week we try to get a little series for the do. So last week we learned since this week we depend freaky girl them in your level love. So reach a part few right now for the ladies them. How do wanna go? Honestly, I don't remember freaky girl part 2 lyrics already. Boy. Anyways, people, if you're new over here, this is the most lit reaction channel. You just made it to the madness and the madness started, you know. But it started already, then started. Anyways, we're in a boss mode and what a Vybz Kartel. Freaky Girls part few. Right now, when you like the video, if you don't like the video, we're going for 1 million likes on that video. 1 million likes, and we want 1 million comments from one person. We don't want 1 and 2 comments, no chopper right now. We don't want 1 and 2 comments. We want 3 and 4 and 5 and 10 comments from everybody in the comment section. Comment on this video to see your comment over this and the next video. I'm going to post every day. See, I might want to do it from right now. Vybz Kartel, Freaky Girls. Make us see what go on, man. The road to 10K is real. Right, John?
Yo, Russian.
Okay.
Yo.
Oh yeah. I know that one. They know the World Boss program. Yo. We love poo poo. Hey. Until we. Hey. Rancho. Wait. Listen.
I know the World Boss program. Eh? Me love poo poo.
Yeah, the rhythm. Hey. Voila. We get Corona free for that one. Voila. Oh, boy, girl. All right. And then? Alright.
Pussy until me dead.
Nothing else can stop. Why? Every time I hear that part, the man them used to say, what is about nice? Hey, Mr. What they say, I just busted that. I'm in high school them time right now. When the man them hear that party, you know. Nothing else can. So what? We don't say me. We don't say I don't mean that way, dog. But not like dog. We're just like I just come out, dog. I know Jamaica time when they come to them argument, yeah, no man. But Clara John.
Hey girl, your pussy tight, yo.
Hey.
Me want to
You know, end up on the road, I got for chase one pretty girl out the road in the dark. And you see her and I go tights, you know. And the first, and them look say I go to her and say, hey girl, you're tight now. Me want to strip your clothes. You see me, I say, Rajon.
Strip your clothes right down.
Yeah.
Me love the way you look
like how you would have want, baby girl. Like how you would have what? Like how you would have.
Like say you would have suck a cocky right now.
Me want your world without you. Little girl, me want you to be me girlfriend. Hey, freaky girl, we love them, yeah. Freaky girl, we love them. Hey. Yeah, man, nah, like that one, that should just come out in the dog. I be a trouble and go on the road in the youth. Yo. Make us listen to that see what go on now, man. Run out, Tyrekejt.
Me want you to be me girlfriend.
Hey.
Freaky
yeah, we love them, yeah.
Freaky girl.
I like how the man them run out in the comment section yesterday. I'm like how the girls them run out twice and I say, me see two few girls I say, yo, that's saying my best cartel song. Me I say, what? Freaky Girl part 1. So me I say, I saw long from 2012. From 2011, 2010, them time there. You know, go on them things in Jamaica, I never know about them time there. I saw no bad, but me not like how the girls them run out yesterday. Right, June.
Pussy me say from AM
2 p.m. Little girl. You see if you come on my yard, and you want to come give me one run, one round, 8 o'clock, and go knock out until I sleep till the next day, 8 o'clock. Go home. If you come on my yard, I want to come give me one run, and then you come sleeping on my bed. Go home. We want it from AM to PM, from PM back to PM. You over, so me I try and say, baby girl, if you come here, then you want what? Go home. Run June.
Broadcast from BBM. Any girl we so cocky,
You want to know them.
Any girl we so cocky, you want to know them.
Hey, voilà. Voilà. Oi. Voilà. I'm going to go to class. Said Jano star. You see them bomber class. Jano da. I remember me carry mom there. Mom da bomber class dog. You know I run junior man. Boss mode. Can't tell me no. Boss at them no love get. Boss at them different. We say the same thing yesterday in the dog. And look like one person don't like get it in the dog. Because we say one, it's like one video yesterday. And I say, half a year life, God. Yo, for me I try to say. But, if a boy tell us him don't like get it from a girl, that means he never experienced it yet. That means he never get it in your life yet. So you not say in this. You have to experience it to know it. My virgins, I know what I talk about. I like me tell you truth.
Unless him no bum buck like no God.
Come play with we see. Hey. When she Lord, you know what I talk about. We're not gonna click on the video so you know what I talk about. Yeah, I'm see a man, bum buck like. Hey, no, I heard up on the like button, people. I've subscribed to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. I reached 10,000 subscribers, dog. But you know what I talk about, dog. Yeah. Hey, girl, come play. Listen.
Make me beat up the pussy real bad. Me give your Versace clothes, Louis V bag. You get up.
Oh, my woman text me. Def. Anyways. So. You know what I talk about. Alright? If you come both her name and she change her name on the phone, they know so we're not going to change it back. Because then we're going to say that, oh, if you change my name, I got a problem. So better left it right there. So I say, I laugh to my phone. I say, yeah. That general, I don't even care for them change. So anyways, boy. So you're bad. But just say a couple of why me I go Instagram in the morning, dog. I will count myself for sometimes my hand a little bit. If you job, suck your girl, batty boy phone. Fuck your job, batty boy. Alright. Run it!
You get a money green job. Me want your world without end. Me want your feel me big game. Any girl we so cocky, me want to know.
Yo, Adi. We up on the second verse right now for the girl them going crazy. Adija Palmer, the world boss. Gaza run the world boss. What else them say? Run dancehall boss. Sociopath boss. What else did they? About a song I didn't have to blood clot. Anyways, who is the second verse, man?
Any girl we so cocky, me want to know them.
Hey, use a freaking technique for me. And girl, take a... Hold on, what I'm saying? No, we ain't in Brazil, no fucking party. DJ. Yo, hold on. We can calm down and listen to the verse. Listen to the verse. Keenly, people. And make sure someone learns something from it. Listen up.
And can your tongue tickle my fancy? Check me on the gun.
You know, so all the money website, there's so... And can the tongue tickle my what? My fancy? No, I hear that part of that. Every time I try to catch it. That's one of the only original song you don't know. Listen.
Check me on the Gaza instantly. Don't wear no brazier, no
Adija.
fucking panty. On the Gaza instantly. Don't wear no brazier, no fucking panty.
Adi, well, no man. I want to hear that part of the song right after that.
Tickle my fancy. Check.
And can the tongue tickle my fancy? Somebody please comment that. Cause you know like me I try to get that part there. Me don't know what I'm saying. But anyways, this is what the man said to the girls now, people.
Check me on the Gaza
Instantly.
Don't wear no brazier,
No
no
fucking
fucking
panty.
panty.
And bring your friend. Hey, the man said when you forward that little girl, that's where. Yeah, it's what. You know what I'm something I call? Rumpa. Oh, buckle, little girl. Oh. Trouble the day, the dog. Tyrekejt, what you talk about, Tyrekejt? Trouble the day, the dog. June.
Bring your friend for money. The church people
say them I go
sue me. Show me say pussy them say the devil.
Exactly. True, the man say pum pum. Everybody needs pum pum. When they married, they not pitney. When they go to church, they say when I say they in a church, they don't have sex. You don't know. But when they touch on the topic, they have to marry. Them say marriage before you do it. Marriage and then do it. You know, so we don't believe in that, most of the younger generation. Sadly. But, June.
Me laugh like a comedy. Me want your world
And this song, no, you're watching that. People, it's been a boy Tyrekevlogs reaction. Boss. That's over there, so. I'm out.